من المحور السادس لمادة نظرية الآلات والذي بعنوان gears. Let's see here some types of gears. So gears are classified according to the position of axis of the shafts. First group is about parallel axis of the shafts. We can find spur gear, helical gear and herringbone gear, and rack and pinion. Next group is about intersecting axis of the shafts. We will find bevel gears. And finally, non-intersecting and non-parallel axis of the shafts, we can find worm and worm gears. Let's see here some features for spur gears. First one is that teeth are parallel to the axis of rotation. You can see here, if this one is the axis of rotation, teeth are parallel to the axis of rotation, okay? Second one, so it transmits power from one shaft to another parallel shaft, okay? Here, for this gear train, we can see here, this is the input, for example, shaft, this is the output shaft, so both shafts are parallel. Third feature, used in electrical screwdriver, oscillating sprinkler, wind-up alarm clock, washing machine, clothes dryer. We can find also internal spur gear system as shown in this figure. So gearing is internal. They are used in transmitting torque between parallel shafts. Some features about helical gears. So the teeth on helical gears are cut at an angle to the face of the gear, as shown here. Teeth are cutted with an angle to the face of the gear. Secondly, this gradual engagement makes helical gears operate much more smoothly and quietly than spur gear. And this is a big advantage. One interesting thing about helical gears is that if the angles of the gear teeth are correct, they can be mounted on perpendicular shafts. So helical gears are used in transmitting torques between parallel and non-parallel shafts. They are not as noisy as spur gears. Let's see now about herringbone gears or double helical gears. They are used to avoid axial thrust. Two helical gears can be mounted side by side to cancel resulting thrust forces. Herringbone gears are mostly used on heavy machinery. Okay, so we have here, you can see two helical gears of opposite hand. You can see the opposite position of the angles here. How about rack and pinion now? So rack and pinion gears are used to convert rotation from the pinion into linear motion of the rack, as shown in this animation. A perfect example of this steering system on many cars.